Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tech Talks, where we explore how technology is reshaping the modern world by industry. Today, we're diving into manufacturing, resilience, sustainability, smart manufacturing, and how manufacturers can stay competitive in an ever-changing world. Joining me is Denovo's Regional Vice President, Frank Porco. Thank you so much for being here, Frank.
Great to be here.
Mhm. So let's start with a big one, supply chain disruptors. We've seen so much volatility over the past few years. How can Oracle Cloud help manufacturers build more resilient supply chains in this environment of constant change and global uncertainty?
Well, Oracle Cloud offers real-time visibility and predictive analytics as part of their solution suite, and an AI-driven demand planning, which is going to help manufacturers, Skylar, respond faster to disruptions and essentially allow them to optimize their supply chain performance, which is going to in turn allow them to build far more resilient supply chains.
Awesome. So nowadays, sustainability is no longer a nice to have, but rather a business imperative. We hear a lot about smart manufacturing, which is bringing AI and automation into the picture. How can manufacturers leverage Oracle Cloud to truly transform their operations and optimize production?
One of the things that's important to remember, Skylar, is that Oracle Cloud offers inherent artificial intelligence into each one of their applications. So with AI, with the inherent automation that exists within the solution, and with the Internet of Things integration, the Oracle Cloud can solution can help streamline production planning. It'll help improve quality control, and it'll help enhance real-time decision making on the shop floor, which is essentially all going to work together to optimize production.
Amazing. So, how can this help manufacturers reduce waste, lower their carbon footprint, and ultimately, like you said before, run more efficiently?
Sure. So what we are able to do is essentially build out solutions that are going to allow ERP, supply chain, manufacturing, and analytics all on one cloud platform, give manufacturers full transparency across the entire operation, which is going to enable better cost management, faster decision making. It's going to also allow them to optimize how raw materials are ordered, when raw materials are ordered, the shipping routes that are going to be utilized, which is in turn going to allow better decision making, faster decision making, which in turn will have a direct impact on the reduction of their carbon footprint.
Amazing. So, now let's bring it back to Denovo.
Mhm.
Manufacturers often struggle with siloed systems and lack of real-time data. How does
Absolutely.
Denovo's all-in-one approach help them gain end-to-end visibility and, more importantly, control over their costs?
Well, one of the things that really sets Denovo apart as an Oracle Pure Play partner, Skylar, is the fact that we, in fact, can look across the entire Oracle technology stack. And in turn, what that allows us to do is take a very proactive approach to helping our clients implement the solution in a manner that best helps them optimize their operational efficiencies. And so that proactive support model also ensures continuous optimization. So we stay extremely close to our clients. Once implementation has been completed, we are going to remain with our clients to ensure their success, to ensure that the industry expertise and best practices are being utilized within the solution, that they're learning how to leverage the data to help them make better informed, insightful decisions. And also, and in doing so, what that allows us to do is make a long-term commitment to our clients to ensure their success. And I really do think that that sets Denovo apart because essentially what happens is that we become your advisor not only through the actual implementation process, but beyond that, so that as updates are released to the client or as you know uh, industry questions are coming to the forefront or being evaluated for strategic decision making, Denovo in turn can kind of leverage our industry expertise and Oracle best practices to ensure that they're getting the best use and return on investment in the Oracle Cloud solution set.
Amazing. So Denovo is really there from the beginning to the end. So that's awesome.
Well, the implementation or digital transformation uh, is just the first step in the process, right? And beyond
Mhm.
that, it's not a static thing, but rather a dynamic and iterative process where we have to help our clients become more proficient in the solution and become basically folks who can leverage both best practices industry wide as well as solution set wide. And really, it's our job to ensure their success in that regards.
Amazing. Well, we've got some awesome insights from you today, Frank. Thank you so much for joining us. And to all of our listeners, if you found this helpful or have any questions for us, feel free to scan the QR code in the next slide to get in touch.